Here is a review of the adjustable painting easel. I've had it for about 7 months now and I use it very often. It comes with its own travel case, which is a huge plus. It's foldable to a very small size and you just keep everything in one place, perfect for storing and traveling. The height is fully adjustable. You can use it tabletop or extend the legs to full standing height. Whether you're painting small or big paintings, you have these adjustable knobs to loosen or tighten this section for the crossbar. You take the crossbar and place it on the holes you want depending on how wide or narrow you want the stand to be. You also have these adjustable knobs at the bottom of the legs for the crossbar. You can place that bar at the bottom position for a bigger canvas and for more sturdiness. This part is also adjustable to the thickness of your canvas or picture, which is really cool. So if you want something light, travel ready, and adjustable to fit any setup, I highly recommend this easel.